Welcome to Diploma Guru CSAT. In this video, we are going to discuss about the ESET 2014 questions from Digital Logic Design subject. Okay, so first one is the convert the given fractional decimal number into binary. So the given number is 6.75. So this given number contains fractional part and integer non-fractional part, right? So that non-fractional part is going to be converted into binary with the help of by taking the LCM with the help of 2, right? So 2 3s are 6, remainder 0, 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1. So the output is 110, right? So 110 is the before the fractional part, right? So we can append 0 here to get 4 digits, right? And coming to the fractional part, so this fractional part number is going to be multiplied with 2, right? So then after multiplying we are getting, right, 1.50. so we can append this 1 into the output, right? Then again multiply this 0.50 into 2, then we are going to get 1.0, right? 1.0, again this 1 is appended to the output. So 0 1 1 0 1 1 is the required output. So this is the output. Okay, are you getting the point? For fractional number, so just multiply with 2, and every time whatever the integer you are getting, it may be 1 or 0, that may be directly appended to the output. Now if a 3 input AND gate has 8 input possibilities, right? So we have x, y, z are the 3 input variables. With the help of these variables we can have 2 power 3 combinations of inputs, right? 2 power 3 is equals to 8. Okay, 8 possibilities are there, right? Now if these xyz are inputted to an AND gate, so for AND gate, so what is the principle? If all the inputs are high, then only the output will be high. So all the inputs among these 8 possibilities are having only one case, that is at all ones we are going to get 1. So we have only one possibility is there to get a high output in case of AND gate. For example, if the same question is given for OR gate, then for all xyz we have 0 0 0 is there initial input. In the remaining all cases, any one of the input is 1, then the output is 1. So if the same question is given for OR gate, then we get an output as 7. Okay, so this is for OR gate and this is for AND gate. Okay, now so one advantage TTL has over CMOS is that, so here the TTL is a non-sensitive to electrostatic discharge. Okay, so this is the answer. TTL is having this advantage over CMOS. Okay, now so which statement below best describes the Karnaugh map? So generally the Karnaugh map is a cookbook approach to simplify Boolean expressions. So this is the answer. Okay, so we can also eliminate these options. So Karnaugh can be used to replace Boolean rules. No, so we want to replace the Boolean rules with the help of K-map, right? So it eliminates the need of using NAND and NOR gates. So you want to eliminate this NAND and NOR gates. Okay, so variable complements can be eliminated by using Karnaugh map. No, there is no complemented variables are eliminated with the help of Karnaugh map. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, now how is a JK flip-flop made to toggle? So here the JK flip-flop is going to be toggle only if both the inputs are high. So the answer is this one. If J and K both the inputs are 1, then the race condition will be occurred, right? So that race condition, then it outputs both output want to be high, right? So the toggle condition is occur where 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 0, that is the device is either set or reset. Okay, so the answer is J equals to 1, K equals to 1, then the toggle condition or race toggle will occur. Okay, and the race condition will occur. Okay, now coming to the question number 6, which gate is the best used as a basic comparator? So here exclusive OR gate can be used as a best basic comparator. Okay, now coming to the last question. Apply De Morgan's theorem to the expression ABC bar. We get, so while applying the De Morgan's theorem, so if we have anything like a complement, sorry, AB whole bar complement, then we get a complement plus B complement, right? So something like this. So this dot is going to be replaced as a plus, and plus is going to be replaced as a dot, and 0 is going to be replaced as a 1, and 1 is going to be replaced as a 0 in case of De Morgan's law. Okay, A is replaced as A complement, right? And A complement is replaced as A. Okay, A complement is replaced as A. So with the help of these principles, now we can get this expression as A complement. So here dot is there, so dot is replaced with plus B complement plus C complement, right? So the answer is first one. So thank you. So in ESET 2014, we get 7 marks from digital logic design subject. Okay. So if you are watching for the first time, please subscribe and comment. Thank you.